Hello there. Today we are going to see how to edit the blog post page, this page. We go to the dashboard, after that pages, and as you can see, the blog page is set as posts page. That means that we cannot edit it right now. But if we go to settings and then reading and remove the blog page from posts page, to make it easy for us, to make it accessible for us to edit it. So press select, save changes, and right now you can edit the blog page without any struggles. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.